Good morning. In practice set 1.4 in similarity chapter, we are learning now fifth example, that is depending on that theorem of areas of similar triangles. Which information they had provided for this example? For this example, they had provided that we have two triangles, that of which area is 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. They are providing side of this smaller triangle as 12 centimeter, and they are asking us to find side of the bigger triangle, that of which area is 225 square centimeter. For this, at first we will assume that area of bigger triangle, that of which area they had provided as 225 square centimeter, that of area we will assume as A1. A stands for area, and that side of bigger triangle be S1, which we have to find out. Then let area of smaller triangle, which they had provided as 81 square centimeter, and that we will assume as A2. It is smaller, so A2. A stands for area and side be S2. Now we will explain that theorem, that when two triangles are similar, no? When two triangles are similar, that of which size is not same, shape is same. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangle is how much? It is equal to the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. This is the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, so at first I stated that theorem of areas of similar triangles, it is when two triangles are similar, that time areas of those triangles is equal to that ratio of that squares of their corresponding sides. Now I am denoting this theorem in small way as A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Here A stands for area. A1 is the area of the bigger triangle. A2 is the area of smaller triangle. Means here I have taken ratio of areas of these similar triangles. Is equal to how much? Is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. S stands for side of the bigger triangle, because they are saying that of the corresponding side. So if I have taken here in numerator that area of the bigger triangle, here I should write side of the bigger triangle only. So that S1 square is the side of the bigger triangle, and as they told, I have taken square. So S1 square upon S2 square. Again I am repeating the theorem which we are applying. That theorem is areas of similar triangles. It is saying when two triangles are similar, that time the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. That's why I denoted this theorem in small, in brief. A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Now I will substitute the value as they had provided that area of a bigger triangle as 225, as they had provided area of smaller triangle as 81. Okay, so is equal to S1 square, as it is because side of the bigger triangle I have to find out. Now upon S2 square, that is the side of the smaller triangle, they had provided it information as 12, so 12 square. For convenience I will take square root, so taking square root, okay, that square root of 225 came as 15, square root of 81 came as 9. Naturally S1 square, its square root came as S1, and square root of 12 square is 144, its square root is 12. So I took square root of each and every term. Okay, then I will take cross multiplication. So S1 into 9 is equal to 15 into 12. Okay, I took cross multiplication. Now I have to find out S1. So I will send this 9 which is in LHS to RHS. I am shifting this 9 which is in LHS to RHS. So that multiplication will become division. So S1 is equal to 15 into 12 as it is. That sended 9, no, that came here, multiplication became division. So S1 is equal to 15 into 12 upon 9. See the calculation, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 is here, okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. In this way, 5 into 4, 5 4s will come as 20. So S1 means side of the bigger triangle came as 20 centimeter. Without fail I will write it in words that the side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter, and I will make a box to it. Okay, got the point? Thank you.